In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change ward skin in League of Legends 2025. If you've ever wanted your vision wards to match your style, the good news is that changing your ward skin is quick and happens right inside Champion Select. First, queue up for a game so you can enter Champion Select. Once you're in, go ahead and choose your champion like you normally would. After you've picked your champion, look toward the bottom left area of the Champion Select screen. You'll see a small ward icon or a button labeled Ward Skin in that corner of the interface. That's the control you need. Click the ward icon and a small selection panel will pop up showing the ward skins that are available on your account. These are purely cosmetic, so they won't change gameplay or give you any kind of advantage. They just change how your placed wards look in-game. Browse through your options, and when you find the one you want, click it to select it. You should see it highlight or show a checkmark, confirming your choice. Once selected, you're done. There's nothing else to save. The ward skin will apply automatically when you load into the match. A few helpful tips as you do this. Make sure you make your selection before Champion Select ends. You can change your ward skin after locking in your champion, and you can even switch it again during the remaining time if you change your mind. But once the timer runs out and the game starts loading, your choice is locked for that match. If you only see the default ward or the option looks grayed out, that means you don't have other ward skins unlocked on your account yet. That's normal for newer accounts. When you do unlock more through loot, bundles, or events, they'll appear in the same panel automatically. Interface layouts can shift slightly between game modes, but that ward skin selector remains in the bottom left area of Champion Select across modes like Draft, Blind, Ranked, and Aram. If you're not seeing it immediately, keep an eye out for the small ward totem icon next to your other pregame options. After you pick a ward skin once, the client typically remembers your last used choice, so next time you queue up, it should already be selected unless you change it again. And that's all there is to it. Enter Champion Select, pick your champion, click the ward icon in the bottom left, choose the ward skin you want, and you're set for the game. Enjoy giving your vision a bit of personality every time you hit the rift.